marketing moment from Roger Lloyd. And the topic is how to make your customers into your sales force. See, you have to understand something, ladies and gentlemen. You keep getting into all this institutional marketing because that's what we're told and that's what everyone's doing. And let's be honest, most of all, it's the easiest. We just take what we want to do or what we're doing and we put it in the hands of the institutions. And the institutions that I'm speaking of are Google and Facebook and any other type of social media. Or maybe you went one step further. Maybe you put it in the hands of a marketing company and they're charging you gobs and gobs of money. Or what I'm really afraid of, maybe you're just not doing anything. But that's not the way to go, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, most of you are so proud, so arrogant, thinking that your cleaning is top notch and better than everyone else's. So if that is true, and I'm not saying that it isn't, then the law of reciprocity should kick in. The law of reciprocity states if I give you something, then you want to reciprocate to give back. And so if you're doing a good job for your customers the way you think you are, then they should give back. And the law of reciprocity will kick in. All right, this is only a marketing minute, so let's get right to it. At the end of every job, when my customers are raving how happy they are, we don't give them gift cards. We don't give them business cards. We give them some referral cards. See, you have to think outside the box. While everyone else is given a business card that is just stating exactly what business you do, you want to give your customers, your most prized asset, a referral card, because you want to let them know, whoever that they give this card to, that they like your work and that they are recommending you. And a business card alone simply won't do it. So let's take this moment and show you what I give to my technician every day. And at the end of every job, when a customer is extremely happy, this is what he provides them. Give me 1 second here. All right. Let's you guys already seen me, my handsome face. Let's let you really look at this card here. Let's do it the other way. Yeah, let's minimize me and let's open up this card so you can really see it. So I give my client, or I tell him to give my customers at least 5 of these at the end of every job. And what it states, as you can see, is let me introduce you to my guys. So right away, your customer is relating you to them. So you're not just a company anymore. You're not just a business anymore. You're your customer's guy. So when they give this card away, it is letting the referrals that they're giving them to that you are who they recommend. You are their guy. Let's read this, ladies and gentlemen. I got my carpets BioClean. Now, BioClean is the name of my company. So I branded it. You would say I got my carpets clean. Or maybe you have a fancy thing you add to your card. But anyway, I got my carpets BioClean. This company really impressed me. Whenever you're thinking about getting your carpet, tile, grout, wood floors, or furniture clean, I can confidently recommend my guys at BioClean. And then what they do is they put their name there and then they put the date there. So you'll know when they handed the card out. Now, when this card comes back in, whatever the client that they referred to you total came to. What I do is I give my the person that gave them the card, his name is on where it says referred by. I give them 10% of the job ticket. Why? Because I want them to be my sales force. I don't want to pay institutional marketing. I don't want to pay Google. I don't want to pay Instagram. I don't want to pay Facebook. I want to pay my customers, not beforehand, but afterhand. Now, before we go, this is a two-sided card. I was taught when I was taught marketing that any space left on a card that's white or blank is a waste of space. So let's bring this down and let's bring this up and let's look at the back side. All right. So very simple. On the back side of this referral card, it says, my technicians are highly trained in a wide variety of fine fabrics and problem stains. They can deliver the kind of quality results my customers have to come to expect. All my work is 100% guaranteed. BioClean Carpet Cleaning. It has my phone number, and then it has my website. Ladies and gentlemen, why give your customers a business card when you should be giving them referral cards to give away? Make sure that they associate them with you, and you don't ask them anymore, ladies and gentlemen. That is dead. What you want to do is you want to get them to associate you with them. You want them to call you their guys, my guys, my guys. And then as you can see over here in the corner, it has a picture of my technician and I cleaning on a recliner, a lazy boy. So they also have a little picture of who's coming into their home. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a referral card. Stop giving the wrong cards in the wrong situations. You should have a fleet of sales cards. I'll get into that in another marketing minutes. And then you should have a main sales card, and then you should have a business card for after you do business with your clients so they can put that card on their refrigerator, or don't have business cards at all. Just have business magnets, because you don't really need business cards. You need a business magnet so they can put it on the refrigerator, so when it's time to call you or refer you, it's easy to get to. But otherwise, if you're giving out cards because your customer says, oh, I have some people that I want to refer you to, have these cards on hand. You have the right card for the right situation. You ever heard the terminology, have the right tool for the right job? Well, it all goes hand in hand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you can expect if you come to the CCW 2020 January conference. I'm telling you, it is a revolution. It is the carpet cleaning world revolution, because you will no longer be able to say that getting clients, and quality clients I'm talking about, is a problem. You don't have to do institutional marketing. They like to say print marketing is dead, which is totally not true. But if print marketing is dead, institutional marketing is dead as well. So what you have to do is come up with creative strategies that won't cost you a whole lot, but will give you a perfect bang for your buck. Thank you for giving me this minute. I hope you look at this. I hope it gave you some ideas. I hope to see you January 16th and 17th in Las Vegas at the Carpet Cleaning World Conference. Give us a call if you would like to come. It's 484-420-7220. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, Could be a life-changing event, or you could just miss it and let it pass on by like so many opportunities. Give us a call today. Meet us in Vegas. Take home all my marketing tricks, all my marketing ideas. Take home some of Soap Daddy's samples and products, and many more will be there. Rotovac will be there. You should attend. Thank you and have a great evening.